let's make some sushi salad rolls. So we're going to start this recipe by putting some red butter leaf lettuce in a bowl. We are also going to do some baby arugula. 90% of the things in this video came from sprouts. We are going to treat this as a salad to start. We're going to use this mango jalapeno cilantro dressing. Absolutely delicious. I'm measuring it out because I don't want to have a super saucy roll. I just want to lightly dress everything. So I have those sesame seeds that are toasting, not on camera. We are going to use our tongs and toss everything so that we have an even distribution of the salad dressing that we have added thus far. This is an organic carrot, and I'm just going to be taking this peeler and making some little ribbons for our sushi roll. Now, after I put everything together, I realized that maybe I should have minced everything. It would have been a little more work, but I feel like it would have made for a more firm sushi roll, but who cares anyways, because all we're going to do is eat it, right? It's going to go in our tummy. But for presentation, you might want to, chop it up really finely or mince it so that you get more in your roll and that it's more firm. So we're doing the same thing with our organic zucchini. We are just making some really pretty ribbons. I really love organic raw zucchini, like in a salad. It's just so good and it absorbs the flavor that you put on it. So whatever you put on it, it's going to absorb the flavor and be so bomb. So we are also cutting up our organic red bell pepper, and the idea here is to make things easy to bite into, make your salad, seaweed wrap, whatever we want to call it. We want to make everything easy, to consume. So a little bit of that red pepper, a little bit of the tomatoes, and then we're gonna do our avocado, which was not all the way right, but it ended up working out just fine. So you want the avocado. So again, all we're doing here really is just preparing all the vegetables. So you pick the veggies you want, get them all prepped and ready, and then we are going to get our salad, add the extra thingies to our salad. So I wanted some pickled red onion. I love red onion and I love it pickled, obviously, because we have the raw onion, and then some dried chives just for crunch and texture. Some cilantro. Cilantro is really good for binding with your toxic heavy metals that are in the body that we all have, and this helps you detox those things. So we're giving that a good tossy toss. And then we have our toasted sesame seeds that are ready to go. And then we have our sushi nori that we're going to get ready and prepare to wrap our salad wraps. Okay, so obviously I am tossing the salad and putting the amount that I feel is necessary. You're obviously going to do the same for yourself. You're just going to line everything up. The goal is to make it pretty and delicious. So, for many, many years, I've loved experimenting with texture and flavor. And I feel like this is what keeps people on track with their diets. If you make things interesting, if you figure out what you like, if you just experiment with different dressings, with different ways to prepare things, with raw foods, cooked foods, you never really know what you love. And the bottom line here is that when it comes to creating an experience, you want to have the flavor, you want to have the sense, you want to have texture, and all of these things make food, and healthy food in particular, just something really fun to experience. Most people's complaints about healthy eating is that, it's bland, or I don't want to eat just the same things, all the time. Well, that's why you have to get in the kitchen and figure out what tastes the best. How can I make this last long in terms of like a healthy lifestyle? And the answer to that, in my opinion, is just by experimenting and making sure you like what you eat. That way, the way that you eat is something that you stick with, rather than, it's just something that I'm doing for a short period of time. And so this is why I mentioned mincing or finely chopping up the vegetables, because it will allow for a firmer hold on your but it all ended up working out really well. Just re-roll it and plate it and eat it and enjoy your healthy food. This was so good. I don't know how many calories. I just know that it was really good, clean, and healthy, and I hope that you try it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.